Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to withdraw money from Cash App at ATM. First, you have to have an activated Cash App card. In another video I talked about how you can get a Cash App card for yourself directly from the app. You can order it. That's your physical debit card linked to your Cash App account. Once your card is activated and has money in the Cash App balance, you're good to go. Just visit any ATM that accepts Visa and insert your cash card. Enter your PIN just like you would with any debit card and choose the option to withdraw cash. Type in the amount you want to take out, and that's it. Keep in mind, Cash App charges a $2.50 ATM fee, and the ATM operator might charge an additional fee too, unless you have received direct deposits of at least $300 per month. I'm sorry. In that case, Cash App reimburses ATM fees for up to 3 withdrawals per 31 days. I'm sorry. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel to get notified for more videos like this. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching.